Assalam Alaikum. My name is Muhammad Furqan Nasir, and in today's lecture, we will discuss that how to scale an object in your drawing. So, as I had discussed in my previous session, that how you can open a file and how you can save a file and the various tips and tricks to make walls. So today I will discuss about scaling an object in your file. So first, I have this object, single bed, in front of me. So first of all, I have to make it block. I have to make a block of it. So first I have to select it, then write B and then enter, and it will automatically generate this tab. So you have to first give the name for making a block. So I will name it single bed, and then directly go to OK. And when you will see it, when you will click it, it will become a block. Then if you want to scale a drawing, first you have to make a point or a line for the suitability of a drawing. So I will make it 6 feet and enter, and I want to make that bed to this length. So I have to use scale command for it. For scaling, we have to write SC and then enter. It will ask you about the object, then you have to click it, and then it will ask you base point, then you have to select this point, and then you have to type R for reference length, and then you have to select both ends of your object, then you have to write P for specifying new length, and then go to this line which we had built previously, and then select its both ends, and it will automatically become similar to this length. And when you take dimension of it, first I will take the dimension of a line, and then I will take dimension of bed, and these will be the same. Thank you, have a nice day, hope it would be beneficial for you. Allah Hafiz, and kindly subscribe my channel.